Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add transitions in LibreOffice Impress. If you want to do it, first you need to select slide which you want to edit, and after that you need to go to View. Now we need to go to Slide Transition. I click on this one option, and here you should see the list of available transitions. So for example, I will select here maybe Circles Transition. I click on it. You should see here the preview of our effect. And now this transition should be successfully added to this slide. If you would like to add it to another slides, you need to click on this one option, Apply Transition to all slides. And then if you will go to Slideshow and you will select this one option, Start from first slide, you will be able to check if your transition works. So now I click one more time, and how you see transitions works. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.